Evelyn. Hey, hello viewers, thank you for joining us. Evelyn, how are you? Say hi. Hi. So viewers, thank you for joining us. So this is one of our viewers who ordered for this delicious Nigerian food. Let's say food too. Yeah. This is ogiri, fresh ogiri. You can see it very well. This is fresh ogiri. You can use this to prepare delicious ogbono soup. People use this to prepare, especially Igbo, they use this to prepare their delicious food. So this is iru, locust beans. Yoruba side, we use this to prepare delicious ewedu vegetable soup. Okay, you can see them well. This is 4 locust beans, iru. So this is iru mixed with salt so that it will last long, so longer it won't. So this one is ogbono, blended ogbono together like this. So this is blended melon, egusi, blended with crayfish and pepper, so that the egusi too will stay long. So that is why we mix it with pepper. So this is the ogiri. So this is the catfish, dry catfish. So thank you so much for watching. If you have interest, you can contact our WhatsApp number. Thank you. Evelyn say hi. Ó ń wo àwọn chicken tó ń dún àbí. So let's check some whether we see garden egg for this our small garden here. So we want to send it to the person that gets it. Thank you so much. Chicken. So viewers, if you need a dry panla fish, we are selling it too. Okay, we have dry panla fish, the dry one. If you want to prepare it, you have to soak it first or boil it first before you can prepare it. So we are shipping it to abroad. So I will show you the fish one of our next video. Watch out. Okay, so this is what we want to send now. So this is dry catfish. You see, dry. So we will use DHL to send it, so that you collect it before 3 days or 4 days. You collect your things. It will not waste time. So Evelyn, ṣé wàá gba atẹ́gùn ká dúró atẹ́gùn wà ń tàjọ nínú ilé heat too much. The heat is too much. Yeah. Wọ́n bá àwọn chicken yẹn lóúnjẹ bá. This daddy ẹ̀ ó ti pọ̀ àbí ó ṣì làwọn kò tí this one kò tí tóbi dáadáa never mature well. So this is okra leaf. You see as a big okra leaf. This is our okra is coming out. Oh, you see, this is okra. Iṣu wa gan ti tóbi o. This our yam. Ṣá ní harvest ẹ̀ bá. This is yam. You see the leaf here. Water yam, abi. Water yam. So we have some basil leaf too. Scent leaf. Yeah. So let's go package it and send it to the woman. Until So viewers, thank you. Bye bye. Everyone say bye bye. Bye bye.